All the accessories. Confirm the right door vs left door difference. How to adjust left and right hand. If left hand, pull out the pin to adjust vertical 90 degrees. If right hand, pull out the pin to adjust horizontal 90 degrees. If the distance is not fit, please move the pin to another position like the video shows. Install the latches. Install the screws. Install the exterior handle. Install the battery box. Install the screws. Connect connector. Install the box lid. Install the screws. Install the AA battery. Install the box lid. Install the interior handle. Install the screws. Install the screws. Install the decorative cover. Installation is complete.